Hi, in this video we're talking about how to open a Gmail account without a phone number. So we have in here the accounts at google.com. Now we have in here the sign in page. So for this one, click on this create account option and click on this options right here. Now once you have done that, this will prompt you to this page. So I'll just head over and then input right here some first name and surname. Then input right here your birthday and then as well as your birth month as well as your birth year. Input right here your gender and click on next. Once you have done that, you can input right here your username. So for example, let's put in here this one, Lily00. And it should be able to show if it's available, and if it's taken, you can input right here another email. So we have in here some available, so just input that. Once you have done that, input right here your password and confirm it. It will ask you for recovery emails. You can skip that one. And here you just need to click on next and just scroll down and click on I agree. And after you have done that, you should be able to sign you up and create your Google account already. And as you can see, it didn't ask me for a phone number. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.